Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy dropping into the AO. Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Capture contract mark. Yeah, that's nice, bro. I'll take it. Get to work. Supply box identified. Marking location now.
Yeah, people outside or something?
Yes, people over there, bro. I know y'all gotta watch this shit.
Yeah, pink. Come on, pink.
These people know what they see.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Move to scout.
Sniper rifle here.
The bunch of people in
Objective
Longview over there.
updated. Move to the next
A
location.
bunch of people in Longview.
Frog, yeah, loadout already.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
A rocket launcher. Somebody's in the next building.
Yeah.
Contact.
Hello, someone was just standing on the second floor of that building, just waiting there.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can
Yeah, good.
redeploy.
Oh, someone's behind me. Shit.
Get back, get back, get back.
Target marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1, good cop. Strike
Yeah,
inbound.
Oh shit. He's broke. Nice.
Want to get back in the fight?
Sino yung team mo yun?
Someone's coming from Boneyard earlier. I'm dropping my money over here.
Head for target location. Plunder cash here. Team redeployed to the AO. Friendly loadout drop on the way. Anyone use body armor?
Armor right there.
Full supply box is found. Solid work.
Got the body
armor. Take it.
I got ammo right here.
Take that item.
By UAV. Kala din pare. Money right there.
I got a UAV.
Yeah.
Friendly UAV overhead.
There, the backpack still up there.
I'm moving. Exfil's on station. Get to the LZ. Gas is inbound.
What wanna do?
Enemy helo.
targeting me.
Ooh, down one.
Nice.
Ah.
I got some more. I got one on the bike.
Extra cash here.
Bro, what you wanna get?
We can do a bounty.
A hope?
Nothing
UAV?
over here. Yeah, get UAV.
So we can stay right here or someone gonna get on top of there?
Okay, extra cash here. Copy
Get
that.
that. Yeah,
Moving.
let's go.
There you go. Alright, got a UAV.
We're short. Let's go get them.
Extra cash here.
And we want me to use it.
All of y'all wanna go get on top of it?
I'm moving.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Nothing around, eh?
Copy that. Moving.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's not looted yet over here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Head for target location.
Mark out, going in.
Head for target location.
I'm moving.
Heading this way. Head for target location.
They're inside.
Yeah, push
Over.
superstore.
Oh wow, I down one from hella far away.
You down?
Nice.
Wait, I got an asteroid.
Way over
Contract
there.
failed. Let's sharpen
Setting
up.
waypoint.
Can't see shit, bro.
Marking hostile vehicle. On my way. Cancel that.
Ooh, down one, down one.
Shout out, idol. RV, dala yun.
Oh no, he's right there, he's right there.
Friendly loadout
Setting
drop on the
waypoint.
way.
ano ba yung pangalan mo sa kanina?
Right here.
Kalimutan ko na.
Marking rally point.
Crawling.
Be
Ram,
advised,
mas
friendly
natin.
precision airstrike inbound.
Tapusin na namin, Lods. Random tong dalawa eh.
Closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Head for target location.
Wall over here.
I need my sniper too.
On the driver.
I'll ride and cover.
Just gonna get my loadout.
Okay, me too.
Going back to the top.
Ikaw magbuhat sa amin, Lods. Hindi nga ako makatama eh. Beginner lang ako. Beginner.
I'm driving.
We're gonna go up the top.
Where are we going? Oh,
Got gas moving in.
Taas.
I'm just going to the top too.
Stop.
Go back up again.
Next move.
Good try to follow you.
ah.
I wonder if they coming from the back or real.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Someone just bought someone over here.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Yep, his buddy's right there.
Mover.
Bro, how the fuck did that nigga run so fast when you start shooting at him, bro? Did you see that shit?
Enemy UAV overhead.
I don't know if y'all want to move farther into this building.
Moving up.
Yeah, let's go.
Copy that. Moving. Field upgrade here.
Okay,
Got some
heartbeat.
body armor here.
Got a target. Going over here.
He running.
Good group.
I got movement.
Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you.
Enemy movement.
Oh, you're jumping down.
Going this way. Enemy movement.
In the peak soon.
Going to the top.
Is someone up there?
Marking rally point.
He's still on top
I'm
over
going
here.
up. Oh shit, I got a
Enemy
bounty on
movement.
me, bro. Where the fuck the bounty come from?
Oh, someone's up here. Up here.
Mover.
Oh, they fucking on me.
Head for target location.
Oh shit.
Who's at the top?
Yeah.
You win this fight,
Right
you
there.
return to the front line.
We're in the
If
first
you
floor.
lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier.
Below you,
Alright.
Go
purple.
sort this fucker out.
Then third floor. We'll have to be fourth floor in a second.
Stand by for redeployment.
Shout out, Idol! Lodi Chester! Bonita Lods! Online na kayo? Tama, dalawa rin kami dito. Random lang tong dalawa.
I think there's one at the bottom.
Yeah. Good shot.
Third floor.
Mark on 4.
He ran
Marking
down.
rally point.
Third
That's
floor.
4.
He ran back down, bro. Fucking
Oh shit! Right here. On me. Damn.
I get past my bombs, bro.
Dale.
Fucking bombs down there.
Hacker yun, hacker. Bigyan na.
How fucking grenades at the door didn't even go off.
Anyone use body armor?
Enemy movement.
Did somebody leave, bro?
No.
Get inside the safe zone. Now!
Either one of those guys that died wants to be killed.
On me.
Let's
We
take
get
it.
the supply room.
Two on top.
Aid station here.
Yeah.
I've got enough money to buy somebody back.
Drop your money. We gotta go somewhere else though.
Oh no, somebody left. He screamed.
Money.
Extra cash.
I screamed, said there's just 3 of us, bro.
Alright, watch my back. Someone's there.
Thank you.
Teammate has been cleared.
Can I still
for
go back for my loadout?
Alright.
Good shit.
Here.
I'm taking fire!
Ah. Everywhere. Oh, wow.
I just bought the first person back, bro.
Ah, damn it. Oh, he got me upstairs?
Marking enemy trap.
Does anyone need this? We've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Your teammate has entered the gulag. Reviving us for anyone need this? redeployment. Supply box located. Move to secure.
No bad. Do you have plates? No plates, eh?
No.
Taking fire!
Urban sensors.
What?
We on top.
At the very bottom. Like, I mean, first floor. Base floor.
We ain't all inside. Rally up in the safe zone.
This bitch talking. I ain't got nobody in there with me.
What? Idiot. Bad. Oh.
GG guys.
Ano yun?
Dito na sila. Wala pa.
Dyan na. Ba't wala? Sayote. Fight to party. Yo, Sayote! Ang balita. Si Chess magmumumog pa raw.
Table ba yung ano?
Sabi ko, ano yung napipindot mo? Ano yung napipindot mo?
Hindi naman. Ba't ganyan?
Magkalapit lang kayo, Lods, kay na Chess.
Hindi Lods, nasa Pinas ako, nasa Italian, ano yan eh, country yan eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ay ba, Pinas rin?
Sa, California, Lods. Pero taga La Union ako sa Pilipinas, Ilocano.
Nice. Kabitin nyo naman.
Sayos.
Pero within Makati, kaklase ko dati yan si Chess eh. High school.
Ikilala mo rin sila, sila Basic.
Ay hindi, ngayon lang ako naglaro nito ulit. Sobrang beginner talaga ngayon. Well actually December, tapos Plunder lang ako Plunder. Sawa
December.
ako Plunder eh.
Ako nga, tagal-tagal na eh. Beginner pa rin. Hindi matuto.
Okay.
Makukuha rin natin yan. Nakita ko yung galaw mo, magaling na eh.
Wala. Si Vic, magaling.
Sup.
Si Victor. Taga rin siya.
Bago din.
Taga Chicago ka, no?
You want the fan off, babe? Cold, hot.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy dropping into the AO. Taking shots. Flashbang going out. The AO. Playtime's over, mate. All guns are on war zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Saan tayo?
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Rio ba ito, pare?
Rios, yeah.
Fly box located. Move to secure. Clear to engage all targets.
Tapusin ko to.
Next objective located.
Tracking contract objective.
Next objective located. Contract complete. All supply boxes located.
Does anyone need this? Does anyone need this?
No doubt.
Start na.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Mark the buy station. Mark the buy station.
Akin?
Coming. na lang ako ng ammunition.
UAV.
Ano, bala.
Does anyone need this?
Okay, baby. Gusto mo bila ko UAV?
Sige.
Baby, sit down nga, sit down. Mommy's working, ha? You sit down. Stay there.
Daddy's also working, baby.
Supply box identified. Marking location now.
Lods, pop ko na, ha?
Sige.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Oh, green mark.
Coordinates marked.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Lods, malapit ng konti sa atin.
Ako ng
Cancel loss.
Bakit yan?
Guard lost.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Waypoint
Rally
marked.
point.
Target marked. Send it.
dito. Trahe.
Enemies in the area.
Buster strike away.
Visual, down. Hey.
Tracking contract objective.
May armor ito, eh.
Marking armor.
Ay, patayin niyo na pala. Ayos.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Walang kasama yun?
Wala.
Nasa big building ata sila.
Solo.
Clear sa akin mo, Lods.
Received.
Ay, umaral. Lods, may naka-sniper pero wala akong visual.
Nasa east ata sila. Dun sa ano. Tower.
Nasa tower.
Dito ata sila.
Rally point.
Not sure though.
Ang tower dito?
Moving.
Di ako sure.
Chopper.
Enemy helo.
Contract complete. All supply boxes located. Use body armor.
Lapit na yan. Layo na pala.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Chopper. Meron.
Ooh, dami isa.
Nice.
Oh, isa pa. Headshot.
I'm gonna buy my selfie.
Ano do?
Bigyan na rin kayo ng selfie. Pero,
Meron na ako. meron ako.
Plunder cash here.
Or I missed this gun. Pare.
Let's take it.
Kuha niya yung satchel.
Loadout drop headed your way. Body armor.
meron na ako.
Close tayo.
Ang box ka.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Hindi, don't carry this. Carry sa takas.
Dalawa.
Carry sa takas.
Baka manggagaling sa tower.
overhead.
Checking tower ako.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Galing pa sila.
Daming tao.
Parating na sila.
Rally point.
Malapit na.
Tayo.
Taking shot.
Ano ba?
Dalawang side.
I'm under fire.
Ay, oh shit.
Taking fire.
Have eyes up.
Hey!
Self-revive block. Hintay na lang sana.
Ayun na.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Fight starting. Get yourself sorted. You're up next. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Going back to the front line. Earn it.
Meron. Drop na lang tayo. Kunin ko. Ano ito? Supply run.
Move to the target area. You
Vendor
don't
here
have long.
is equipment.
We did.
May tao dito. Meron.
Enemies in the area.
Meron din.
May ammunition
pa.
box ako pare.
Nice.
Take that LMG. Got a handgun.
Masyadong looted dito.
Meron pa ata dito. Meron.
Head to target location.
May papunta dyan?
Oh, may tao ata doon.
Telephone.
Waypoint mark. Move.
Ay! Shit! Nagulat ako.
Sorry.
Pangalan eh. Hindi ko makita eh.
Hostiles have already
Green mark, may bumagsak yun.
Coordinates marked. Never mind.
Copy that. Moving.
Tao doon sabi mo?
Meron din. Isa. Bumagsak yan.
Time is up. Objective failed.
Natin yun. Ay, pwede na tayo mag-loadout pala.
Oh shit. Ito pare.
Take that
My
item.
bad. Accidentally.
Ang ayos lang.
Oh, yung tao.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Then. Pare.
Enemy lost track. You're safe.
There's one more. Down.
I'm under fire.
Basag siya.
Throwing stun. Throwing stun.
Uy, doon pala siya.
Nice.
Tatlo yun, no?
Akala ko mamamatay ako. Wipe na eh. Wipe. May iba bang team?
Ano ba yan? Ito. Wipe na ba yan?
Mission mark.
Trio lang naman, eh.
May bumuhay ah. Ay, naglo-loadout sila.
Break one ata.
Ah, sayang. Pera na eh.
Come back stronger next time.
Sorry. Check natin si ano.
Chess.
Apa.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Get yourself sorted. We'll be deployed shortly. Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Labas tayo.
Capture contract mark. Enemy soldier incoming.
Dun, dun, dun,
Eh.
Isang tao. Buwan na tao.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Oh, wala din. Dami.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Bad idea. Dalawang team sa akin.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment. Teammate
Coward.
Ah, shit.
Nangyari.
Meron isang team na patay ko yung dalawa. Isa na lang.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Ganda.
You can practice
Boneyard.
taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. Fight's kicking off. Get yourself sorted. You're up next. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Go back to the front. Earned it. Take that LSG. Next objective located.
Meron? Meron sa taas.
Taas na.
Losing ground.
Tayo.
Ay, shit. Ang pintuan. Ay, na.
Pare, lagay mo yung pera mo yun. Down din. Uy, down din ako.
Ay, ikaw pumatay yun?
Enemy took that one. We'll be back to finish the job.
Like yung isa, na-snipe ako pero.
Yun yata yung na-kill confirm ko eh. Bumagsak sa harapan ko.
Shit, pinata ko ano, sa wall, sa wall.
Ay, ako pala yung ano, tapos na pala. Maglalaro si Chess.
Daddy duty pa ata.
warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real.
Kayo na mag-mark. Malas quest.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team.
Malas
You're
din
leading
ako.
in. Gas is approaching your
Ako
position.
mag-ano.
To the safe zone.
Tayo.
Found a recon contract.
Copy, recon contract.
Napindot ko lang yun. Natanggal ko eh, ayaw.
Tahimik naman itong sa napili na.
Coordinates marked.
Isa lang siya?
Ay, isa lang. Mag-isa lang.
Never mind.
Tara.
Tirahin natin. Uy!
Uy!
Ayun.
Tago ako.
Enemy soldier
Meron pa.
incoming.
Taas.
Alright lads,
Ah,
let's get it
shoot.
done.
Tayo.
Oh, shoot. Sa
Coordinates
CR.
Uy! Nadali ako po. Nice! Nakatago. Buti nakatago pa.
Tama.
May dalawa pa yan ha. May dalawang kasama.
Ba?
Umadvance yung dalawang kasama.
Dito na.
Gas ko. Pasok pa. Nice.
Ay.
Galing nyo.
Nakadapa lang.
May rocket ammo kayo?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Wala.
Ah.
Sila lang naman kasabay natin.
Yeah,
Oh.
salamat.
Objective updated. Secure that position.
Nagpabaril din.
Waypoint marked. Move.
deployed.
Recon intel secure. Solid work. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
LMG here.
Mark the buy station.
Ano kayo dito?
Moving. Disregard blast.
Coming.
Ay.
LMG here.
Ay mag-loadout sa baba.
Mark the buy station.
Dito ako nabali eh. Diyan sa anong yan eh.
Ako na, abili na ako ng loadout dito.
Anyone use body armor?
Ay.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Blood
May ammunition na kayo, pare. May ammunition na kayo?
Wala.
Wala pa? Okay.
Take that item.
UAV na.
Setting Claymore.
Friendly UAV overhead. Mover.
Setting Claymore.
Daming claymore linagay.
Dami, to.
Basag.
Katakas yung isa.
Bilis eh.
Nabasag sila.
Dito sila.
Time's up. Objective failed.
Sasakyan ba nila yan? Yan yung
Yeah.
ginamit?
Yeah, tumakbo na po. Punta yun para sa buy station. Pag yung...
Bumili siya, bumili.
Kuha niya yung weapon yun. Babalikan yun.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Mag-ghost na kayo?
Hindi pa nakagawa.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Malapit lang ba?
Enemy
Lapit
UAV
lang?
overhead.
Spotted a care package.
Ghost tayo.
That's mine.
Uy! Nabaril ako. Dalawa ba yan?
Dalawa yung kanina.
Nabaril na ako nung kanina eh.
Baril ko.
Shit.
Dalawang sniper ko. Sa loob na tayo.
Pasok na ba tayo?
Kapalit tayo ng baril. Ito yung parang yun.
Ay,
Para ka dyan.
Losing ground.
Hindi, okay lang. Pareho lang yung setup yung sa akin.
Scope
Halo.
natin.
kafaran na tayo ngayon eh. Lahat eh. Left tayo. Iwasan natin tong downtown siguro.
Sighting ako Sighting port. Wala naman.
Left side tayo. Ano gusto?
Kahit ano.
Kahit ano. Oy, pera. Red yan. Red na box yan. Tingin ko. Ay, hindi ko.
Kanina, tatlong red.
Setting a mine.
Ayun nga.
Ayun sila pala.
What?
All prisoners are being released from the gulag. Get ready.
Ay, gatekeep natin to.
Let's go. Yung palang ano yan. May blast pala yung pagbaril ko dito.
Ah, pare. Let me out, pare.
Sorry.
Yan na, mamatay na yung mga yan.
Wala akong namatay.
Jailbreak is active. Watch the skies.
Uy! Meron sa likod. Yes. Tangin na, nasa may truck. Galing gulag. Ay, galing sa tall building.
You return to the
Parachute.
front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Sniping yung nasa ano.
Stand by for redeployment.
Kaibigan. Tayo mo yung dalawa.
Meron dun sa blue, ah.
Ang battery ako. Kanina pa tumatama yung baril ko dito. Ay,
Uy!
ko. Galing dito.
Saka dito. Oh, shit. Sniper sa taas.
Okay, okay.
Nakuha ko yung ano mo.
Your teammates in the
Nasa big-
gulag.
nasa big
If they
building ba
survive,
sila?
they can
Oo.
redeploy.
Ayos tong Farah to ah. May zoom in. Ayos.
Pera.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Baril mo.
Dito sa akin yung baril mo, ano? Oh, bigay ko.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Assault rifle here. Disregard last. Assault rifle. Sniper rifle here.
Okay, okay. Nandito pala.
Shield upgrade here.
Oy! Ito pare.
Taking fire!
Umugod mag-isa? Ah, bibili siguro yun.
Yeah.
Nag-deliver ng loadout. Ngayon, meron na ako. Ay, kunin ko yung isang baril niya.
Ito pare pera. Sila kang Yodi.
Let's take it.
Bounty. Taas ba yan?
Bounty contract
Meron ba?
marked. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Popping.
Friendly
Ah,
UAV
meron
on
dito.
range.
Meron tayo, may. The buy station, buy
Head to
station.
target location.
Buy station.
Gas is moving.
Check your fire!
Enemy cluster strike
Wala.
incoming.
Ano nangyari?
Dami pala. Kala ko mag-isa.
Kaya ko dito.
Uy!
Contact! Contact!
Ang lupi naman yan.
Tao?
Uli, eh.
Tao din?
Oo. Follow you, sir.
Doon na.
Your teammate has been marked as a high-value target. Keep them protected.
Move to that vehicle.
Takbo!
Run.
Ay. Sayang. Tumipad ako sa...
You think you can take me?
Nice.
Tayo.
Captain contract marked.
Kaya at akala ko yung mic ko namatay.
Hmm.
Baka mamatay ako eh. Bigat nito.
In your face.
Salamat. Match game.
Gas mask here.
Makapapunta ng mga kalaban dyan sa'yo.
Large caliber here.
Ay, tangina. Meron dun. Sa taas.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Wait kayo. May isa sa taas ha. Uy, loadout na tayo.
Tara, ito.
Sige, ay.
Pero,
May tao sa taas eh.
pumatay ako. Ghost na tayo.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Ayaw.
Taking shots here.
Planting Claymore.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Ay,
Loadout drop headed your way. Twenty-five remaining.
May isa rito. Uy!
Alis ka na pa.
Takbo! Papatay mo yan, ayos na. Patay mo yung naka-rocket launcher. Daya yun, daya.
Ayos, pero.
Pwede tayo ng isa. Shit.
Wow ka ng leader.
Ano nawala? May nawala yata.
Pa?
Ay, kompleto ba? Ay, kompleto pala. Nag-switch. Nag-switch ano? Wala pa naman siyan eh. Invite kayo kung meron. Meron kayong ma-invite.
sabi mo na may start.
Huwag mo na. Tama? Yeah. Go ahead, pare. Hindi mo ready ka, Ke?
Dami nag-grow ngayon ah. Subukan ko yung grow. Yung ghost ko. Gawin kong grow. Grow.
Ginagamit niyo yung Milano?
Di pa. Bakit? Malakas?
Hindi pa ako rin. Ata. Hindi pa lang.
Ayusin ko lang tong ano ko ah.
Iya ako na lang.
Sige, sige. $60 under barrel. Ayos na to. Ready na ako.
Sorry game.
Okay, start ka na pare.
Sige.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Vendor here.
Capture contact
Disregard
mark.
blast.
Never
That's
mind.
our drop zone. Get ready. Light vehicle here.
Capture contact mark. Tango.
Disregard blast.
Dami.
Dami, boss.
Tara, alis tayo, dito, alis tayo.
Sa train na lang tayo.
Alis tayo. Okay.
Moving.
Saan kayo? Saan kayo?
Copy that.
Wait,
Move.
wait, wait.
Your primary objective is to kill
Maraming
them all.
pera naman dito eh. PlayStation pa.
Body armor here.
Found a submachine gun.
Body armor here.
Tao dun sa kabila.
Marking rally point. Reach the marked location and secure the area.
Break pa na
Setting
tayo.
decoy.
Waypoint marked. Move. Enemy UAV overhead.
Tapos na dito.
Oh, tapos na.
Tao ata sa marker ko. Okay, nag-upload na sila. Upload na sila dito.
Waypoint marked. Move. Gas is moving.
Tayo nila.
Head for target location. Enemy UAV overhead.
Kaya ata. Oops.
Kalaban kayo?
Uy!
We're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Nice.
One more. Fear me.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. That one. We're sending you back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Patayin nyo lahat sila.
Oo.
Hindi team wipe yun. Dalawa lang.
Di ba?
Wait.
Sayang. Loadout na sana tayo kanina eh.
Anyone use body armor?
Tali pa ako. Pili natin. Kunin na lang natin pang loadout.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Loadout drop inbound.
Nabalik tayo.
Tayo.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Nataas ba yun?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ghost tayo, hindi pa.
Meron. UAV na lang to.
Head to
target location.
Ammunition.
UAV.
UAV.
Yeah, may ammunition sa.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO. Marking rally point.
Time baril.
Away ata tuloy. Third party tayo, hindi na.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel.
Tangbala.
RTB for resupply.
Kayo. Party. Lang ko kayo. Yung kunin to.
Does anyone need the disregard last?
Isa pang scab dito.
Does anyone need this?
Got gas moving in.
Wala lang natin yun.
Copy, scavenger contract.
Taas pa yata.
Yan.
Ginagamit talaga.
Nag-ghost na kayo, no?
Oh, ghost raid na.
Hindi pa. Hindi ako.
Ah, wala.
Down.
Setting waypoint.
Ay, meron pa. Dami pala. Ay, isa pa. Ay, dalawa pa yata. O yun, team wipe, team wipe. Patay pa ako. Nakuha pa nila yung scavenger.
Ah, then.
Most wanted
Wait a minute.
contract marked.
Pera. Oh, may tao dyan.
Head to target
Mag-loot
location.
mag-loot na lang siguro kayo. Konti na lang.
$200 na lang. Sa $200 na lang, lalarga na.
Yun. Na, isang 100 pa.
100.
Bitin pa. $100 na lang.
Sa mga bus siguro.
Yo, mag-up.
So,
So,
Aid station here.
tayo.
Thank you. Pwede kang balikan yung loadout ko sa taas, ano?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Yata eh.
Setting a mine.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Wala yung baril ko.
Setting waypoint.
hindi pa. Ayun.
Yan, may kotse.
Head to target location. Never mind. Marking hostile vehicle. Gas is inbound.
May bumuhay doon.
We should head for the safe zone.
Ay, kanan. Ay, yung bala.
Kaya naman bala. Uy, sniper. Uy,
Uy,
nasa north. Dito ata sila.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Oops, yep. D-mark. May sniper yung isa.
sa kaliwa na lang siguro tayo, ano? Left side.
I'm under fire. Throwing stun.
Left side tayo.
Talaga ako.
Hacker yata yung mga yan eh.
Hard left tayo. Mga box ata dyan sa loob.
Uy,
What gas?
Let's take it.
Sniper pa rin.
Sniper rifle here.
Loaded tayo. Pera mo pare.
Chudinero.
Mover.
Ang bili ko.
Loadout. Ulit. Pangit yung baril.
Baka mas snipe ako dito. May mga box dito.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Polluted ah.
Friendly loadout box on the way.
Oh,
Got gas inbound.
Request
Bili ko yung armor pare.
UAV entering the AO. Let's take it.
May armor box ako dito.
Armor pa.
Uy,
I'm taking fire.
Yun na sila naman ah.
dyan na.
Sila.
Be advised,
Ako nakapag-armor up.
RTB for resupply. Take that item. Waypoint marked. Move.
Down one. Na-down them.
Oh, right side.
Waypoint marked.
Basta.
Ay.
Barrel na yun. Para ba yun?
Ay shit, sa likod.
Para lahat.
Ay.
Lighting Molotov.
Ah.
Oh no, pressure on me.
Window? It's open. You hot?
Gusto mo namin, pressure on me.
We lost that one. Come back stronger next time.
Natin
Get yourself the proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Thank you. The other one. Don't move it. Oh yeah, don't move it. Yeah, that is coming a blood. You're my idol, right?
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Panalo na to. Tapos na warm up. Warm up pa rin. Warm up pa rin to. Warm up muna.
Racing tayo.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. We've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Ooh.
Pagsaboy.
May isa sa taas nyo.
Isa.
Sa likod nyo.
May nauna, isa, dalawa.
Ginawa na yung helicopter. May isa sa likod nyo pare.
Isa sa bawal din.
Wala, kinabas niya. What the hell?
Sinira niya na.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Hindi, plano niya, ibabangka niya sa atin eh.
Turn off that off. Turn that off.
Uy,
Sa baba.
May isa pa. Nice.
may isa pa, di ba? O napatay niyo na?
Patay ko dalawa.
May isa.
Oh, nice.
Ay, dalawa ba? Ayun.
And hindi ba team wipe? Or bangit team yun?
Dalawa, may pangatlo pa eh. May walay siguro yun.
Hindi pala nila makuha.
Ang nakakuha sa scavenger ah.
Does anyone need this?
Supply box located. Move to secure.
May armor box ako. Pag kailangan nyo na. Drop ko na.
Body armor here. Body armor here.
Waypoint mark. Move.
So
I'll
that,
drive.
Drop ko na yung pera dito.
tapusin ko tong scavenger.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Taas ko.
Here.
Gas is moving. Friendly loadout drop on the way. Contract updated. New objective identified.
Target marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound. No hits on that run.
Ito dito, nasa harapan ko na eh. Pero strike ko.
Ayaw bumili yung ano,
Let's take it.
yung amo ko.
Di ako.
Does anyone need this?
Ako sa ilalim.
Contract complete. All supply
Busy
boxes
yata ako,
located.
guys. Wala na, hindi ako namatay. Nabisi ako.
Busy ka?
Oo.
Magalaw ka pa naman.
Nag-print screen ako kanina.
Ah, okay na.
Ah.
Kunin ko yung king. Para money.
Sige, sige. Dami kong pera.
I'm driving.
Post na tayo. Di ako.
I'm driving.
Tayo pa yung gusto.
Babe, I made the bed already. I put Eli on the floor. Here, here.
I'll drive.
Most wanted contract mark. Most wanted contract mark. Most wanted contract mark.
System fine.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Oh, ghost na.
UAV?
So, nilagyan kong C4, pero yung isang class ko, ano, Claymore. So, how do I activate the C4?
Pwede pa rin. Try mo.
Pwede ba ba?
Try mo.
Sa sabi, pick up C4, pick up C4. Pero meron akong Claymore. What the heck? Okay, I guess.
Automatic na ano.
Tinanggal
Cut na lang
ko.
siguro tayo.
A
Ini-switch.
loadout drop
Oh,
inbound.
meron pa dun eh.
Spotted a care package.
Ghost ulit.
Dapat di ko na binili.
Planting explosive.
Yung abangan yan.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Pasok pa rin.
So, akyat tayo.
I'm driving.
Taas tayo. Magay ko rin truck. Why? For the line. 5.
Bumaba.
Kapit lang. Kapit nga lang. UAV ka.
I'm driving. Friendly UAV overhead. Marking rally point.
Bahay lang.
Trap lang. Trap yan.
May truck din.
Gas is closing in.
Yun na ako?
Uy.
Oh, what?
Tingin mo ay.
Ito yung C4 ko eh.
Nice.
Nag-track lang siya sa C4.
Kasama pa siya, di ba?
Oh, isa pa, ito.
Uy!
There.
Mover.
Tap ko na nga lang, Kirby.
Parang sa ano mga bahay.
Tama yan. Dapat ano, user ID.
Oh,
Hoy.
Okay, punta ko dyan, punta ko dyan.
second floor.
Sa pare, mark niya. Mark niya.
Voice
Hindi.
ba
Saan
yan?
na pare?
Iano ko lang siya, i-up ko siya.
Ito siya.
Have eyes on.
I've got you!
Have eyes on.
Parang pang Emmy.
Marking hostile vehicle.
Dalawang lab.
Baka pang NTI.
Moving! Disregard last.
Kanan. Yata eh.
Moving!
Nandito siya.
Moving!
Marking rally point. Marking hostile vehicle.
Ano mo na magulo, nagpa-process sa...
Marking hostile vehicle. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Ano kayo?
High caliber here.
Gas is moving.
Diyan na sa chest.
Saan bumaril? May bumaril ba?
Oo ako. Mabay, mabay.
Sumugnog dito. Here dito.
Inaantok na si Alvica na. Walang kalaban eh.
Dulong-dulo ba na?
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Armor box pa pala ako dito.
Kaya tayo.
Ito pa kayo? Kailangan niya. Baba ko na.
Meron na ako.
Meron tayo nun.
Ayan, ano.
Anyone use body armor?
Saan ko na naman ulit dito.
Gas is inbound. Mid-cal here.
Meron dito, meron. Ay, shit, may bumaril. Meron sa simbahan niya. Sa simbahan galing.
Enemies in the area!
Eyes on target. Have eyes on.
Thermite out!
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. Fighting's done. The area's cleared out.
Patay, patay.
Gas is
Nice,
closing
nice,
in.
nice.
Relocating the safe zone. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment. Got a loadout drop inbound. Waypoint mark. Move. Head to target location.
Dito sa bahay ng bakar. Clear naman.
Body armor here.
Uy,
Never mind.
pwede pa kaya itong bounty?
Light vehicle here. Does anyone need this?
Gas is inbound. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Matay yung headset ko eh.
Only 10 are left.
Ang gas mask ah. Ay! Ay, walang cover sa kanan. Uy! Meron. Ah, kanan ka na lang.
Saan galing?
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Ano?
Ako sa likod mo. Uy! Meron din pala siya.
Less than 10 will still stand. Hit us hard that time. Settle the score.
Sali daw si ano. Just.
Okay.
Paki-backloads. Paki-back yung ano. Ay, mamaya na lang yata daw siya.
done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Yo. Saan tayo?
I'll take.
Hostile dropping into the area. What? Your primary objective is to kill them all. Supply box identified. Target location now. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location. Contract updated. New objective identified.
Hunted ako kaagad ah.
Headset ko na naman to try this. Ah!
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Your teammates in the Gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Enemies in the area!
Ano na? Dalawa.
Narinig mo ko pare?
Yo. Yup. Narinig na kita.
You're in the Gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Oh shit,
may
hindi ko
kalaban.
agad.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're
Kung
done
may
here.
kalaban ka.
You're up, soldier. Now go sort the fucker out. Stand by for redeployment.
May tao dyan.
May tao sa scab.
Kaya may tao dyan.
Dalawa.
Iwas na lang.
Kasi may tao din dito.
Gas is inbound.
Hill base.
Tao din dito sa akin.
Ako dyan. Uy!
Oh, try
Made in China yung ano ko. Parachute.
Back up.
Tagging aid station.
Try ko mag-invite ng isa.
Dali. Apo, try guys. Hindi lang. Ayaw naman babakat eh. na lang.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deployed shortly.
Yo, yo. Bet ko to isa. Walang mic to eh. Pero magta-type na lang siya. Lang sumali. Sige lang. Ayaw.
Sleeping.
Ila.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy dropping into the AO.
No, no me jodas.
All right, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Capture contract mark. I'll take it.
Patay na ako.
Pupunta sa lahat ng tao dun.
Dapat ka na mamatay.
Waypoint marked. Tango.
Ikaw ma-epal yun ah. Nakuha na.
Does anyone need this? Disregard blast.
Wala tayo.
Bounty contract
Bounty na lang.
marked. Contract. Cancel that. Next waypoint. Targets are up. Get to work. Bounty target is up. Let's get it done. Bounty target is down. Well done. Bounty contract marked.
Nice.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him. Mark the buy station. Mark the buy station. Never mind.
Tayo. Tao ba yung train?
Ah,
Wala, ang dami pa.
Take that item.
recon na lang tayo dyan. Oh, hindi ako makahabol.
Ammunition na rin ako. PAD.
Gas is moving.
Anyone need disregard blast?
Ay, may bounty pala tayo, ano?
Firm buy station. Mark the buy station.
Marmor pala.
We're using body armor. Mark the buy station.
Load up pa tayo.
We're using body
Sunod ako, kunin ko tong recon. In 20 seconds pa.
UAV gusto niya. Meron na napulot ng UAV.
May truck. Parating.
Hostile vehicle. Objective failed. Objective updated. Secure that position.
Yari. Wala.
Wala yung truck eh.
Ayan.
Loadout drop headed your way. Let's check it.
May munition box ako.
Meron ba?
Double loadoutan tayo. Go.
Pwede. Mas balikan natin yung recon natin.
Light vehicle here.
Loadout drop inbound.
Does anyone need this?
Sige, para kasi.
Kaya ano? Yeah.
Let's check it.
Ay, yung truck.
Or kotse na naman.
Thermite out!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Taking fire!
Loadout drop inbound.
Ayun.
Got that.
I've got you!
Friendly UAV overhead.
Effective shot.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, minira pa ako. What the fuck yan?
Wow!
Taking
The
contact!
fuck?
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Ito na, dito. Oh, shit.
Ay,
Welcome to the gulag.
Mag-isa lang siya na sumugod. Parang hacker eh.
dalawa sila.
Dalawa nakita ko.
Dalawa.
There's a fight kicking off. Get yourself sorted. You're up next.
Tama ng replay yung pagkapatay ko.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Let's go sort this fucker out.
Kaliwa mo pumunta po. Ayan.
That one. Sending you back to base. It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
supply run contract marked.
Tayo.
Diretso ako doon.
Oh, may pera na tayo.
Need stick. Mark the buy station. I'll take.
Nakapunta natin yun, ay buy na lang.
Yeah, punta kayo doon.
Ops, ops, may
Baka... Pili na lang kayo.
punta kami supply run.
Ah, sige, sige, sige. Salamat. May kalaban ka dyan? Sa yote.
Salamat dyan.
Ay, punta na lang ako dun ah.
Sige, station.
Enemies in the area.
Shit.
Yeah, dalawa dito. Napatay ko yung isa pero may dalawa pa.
Okay na lang kaya. Loot na lang kami dito.
Looted. Pwede ka natin bilhin. May 4K na ito.
Ah, pwede na pala eh. Pera pala ako. Ay, samahan ko.
Thank you.
Walang tingura sa atin po eh. Looted na looted.
Oh, meron akong ano to. Libre ata.
Setting waypoint.
Wala akong ammo.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
SMG here.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Sa gitna na tayo. Almost.
Pangit mga baril natin pero eh.
Di ba may darating pa?
Meron pa ata.
Yung mga tao nila ako hinahanap. Panggap na tago lang itong ginagawa ko pa.
You're safe. You lost the enemy trackers. Enemy UAV overhead. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocating.
Tambay, boys.
Yari tayo, hindi tayo ghosted pala.
Couch.
Uy! Alabit ko.
Audio nyo to.
Enemy UAV
Mark the buy
overhead.
station. Mark the buy station.
Gas is moving.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Walang mga hits. Bala ko. 25 lang yung bala ko
Oh,
din.
meron dito, meron. Green mark.
Saan?
Green mark.
Bye.
Ayun
Doon sa kabilang building.
Oo.
Next building. Kalaban sila.
Ako hindi na rin nila. Oo.
Tango. Let's head to that vehicle. Dear, gas out!
Nalit ko sila. Yan umuubo.
Kotse.
Basag. Wala na akong bala.
Ako wala nga armo.
Wala rin akong extra armor. Ganap ko ng bala dito. Mag-isa lang yata eh. Pwede natin sugurin eh. O dalawa.
Pare, armor mo.
Anyone use body armor?
Thanks.
Natin.
Thanks.
Mag-isa lang ba yan?
Isa lang yung bumaril eh. Oo, isa lang yung bumaril eh.
Let's take it.
Purin natin.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Ito lang oh. Blue pa rin
Sige,
yung
sige, sige.
baril.
Kapag isa lang siya. Diyan pa rin sa loob.
Loadout drop inbound.
Basag. Okay. Basag yan, basag.
Isa lang siya, di ba?
Only
Oh.
25.
Ay! Daming claymore.
Oh, isa pa.
25 remaining.
Kala ko isa lang eh.
Good job.
Nabuhusan tayo ng bala.
Tatlo sa lahat, di ba? Hindi ba?
Oh, tomorrow ulit. Bounce muna ako, bounce.
Sige. Ako rin, bukas din. Bukas na rin ako.
Pare.
Okay, pare.
Okay.
Pare Vic. RB.
Alright. Palike na lang and share.
Ay, sige.